Well, some Colorado students are just weeks away from returning to the classroom, and now the state has a plan to bring kids back and keep COVID out.
It is a more than $170 million plan for COVID testing in the schools. There would be free weekly testing for Colorado's 900,000 public school students. Testing would also be available for the teachers and staff members, and the program will be federally funded. This comes as Colorado is hitting vaccination goals for Coloradans 18 and older, with more than 70% of those people having received at least one shot. And while anyone 12 and up can get a COVID vaccine, there is concern for the younger kids who cannot get vaccinated as they prepare to return to class. Some districts have already committed to a full return to in-person learning without those learning pods. CBS 4's Andrea Flores with more on the state's announcement tonight. Andrea, the goal is giving the students consistency this fall.
Jim, and we know testing would be available with the health department providing the supplies. And while the state's goal is to keep COVID rates down in the classroom, not all parents are on board.
Why do they think that they know what's best for our children? We know what's best for our children.
Joanna Rosa Science has 3 kids enrolled in Denver public schools. She says CDPHE's new push to provide free weekly testing for Colorado's 900,000 students crosses the line.
As a mother who does not agree with vaccinating her children, to mesh medical with school, I think is completely wrong.
The state health department says more than $173 million has been allocated by the federal government for COVID testing in schools. Dr. Whitney Kennedy, a family physician and DPS parent, says the goal should be getting kids back into the classroom safely.
I think it's essential that we get them back into a more normal routine.
She believes testing is one option, especially for young students who are not yet eligible for the vaccine.
I think that testing is our best next step if vaccination is not available.
With the start of a new school year on the horizon, some parents say it's time for the state to take their concerns into consideration.
They need to trust us as parents that we are going to do the same.
Now, we know health leaders are considering different companies to hire the staff and report those results. We also know that Colorado's largest teacher union is on board with the plan. Reporting live tonight in Denver, I'm Andrea Flores covering Colorado First.
All right.